time I lost in a wall of voices.
Let's go!
Throw me up for nothing! This is so worth it! Go your day!
Welcome to Dayton. Thanks for being with us. Paul Burmeister alongside former UCLA head coach Ben Howland. Before we get to the teams, this is the first time we've both been inside this arena, one we've heard about for decades.
It's a great venue, unbelievable fans, great support. That's why the in-state tournament's held here every year, the only place in the country, because of the love for college basketball in this town.
Hey!